So a third scenario is when you're dealing with a generic output from a given command line program. It doesn't necessarily match some sort of file format that you can easily run through some sort of syntax highlighting. Instead, it's typically custom to the command itself. For example, if you're running a ping and you've got status coming back about each ping result, or if you're looking at disk usage and you get a list of folders and the file sizes, maybe you want to color things that indicate a large file versus a small file. Or maybe you're running something like the mount command or the IP command. In each of these cases, the output is specific to the program itself, and there isn't necessarily a readily available format that you could use to syntax highlight and then maybe even re-indent the output to make it easier to read. All right, so let's look at the ping command. Let's say I want to hit google.com. When I run this, each time I get a response, or when I don't get a response, I have a line that's printed out. And right now it's all monochrome. It might be helpful to highlight some information, for example, the IP address. So what I could do is kill that off, run ping again, but prefix it with grc. Now when I run this, you can see I get IP addresses that are colored in blue. And over on the right-hand side, the ping time in milliseconds is green. And I assume if the time is large, it's going to be red or orange or yellow. I don't have a server I can think of right now that would allow me to test that, but that's my presumption. And it looks like the TTL is purple, and then there's a bright yellow for the ICMP sequence. So anyways, this is a nice way to style the output of the ping command, which is not some sort of file format that's universal. It's just output that's nuanced to the ping command. And so in that case, grc is a great tool because it has a lot of configuration set up to color the output of common commands.